Every year where I work, we do a door or space decorating contest. I happen to have a couple of windows on my office, so I chose to do that this year. Stay tuned and I'm going to take you through the process. Here's a good before shot. Now let's make some magic happen. We took some foam core from the Dollar Tree, of course, cut it into strips of varying widths, sort of starting from 2 inches and going all the way up to 3 inches because we wanted it to be irregular. Some of the wider pieces we did a dry brush with some burnt umber acrylic paint, and for the other ones we'll call them pickets, maybe shiplap. You'll see what Izzy did with those in a sec. I'm attaching the dry brushed pieces around the edge using just a little bit of glue. Okay, so we've already done the frame. Maybe I shouldn't have said frame, so we've got it up on the glass. We're gonna keep going. We've got the next pieces and Izzy's working on those. Using the side of a Sharpie, Izzy's just going barely down the edge in a really random way to make those look like weathered shiplap.
What was wrong? Nothing. Oh, it's supposed to be on time lapse. Okay. Quiet.
Using my Cricut, I used Dollar Tree contact paper to cut out the words I wanted for my, air quote, sign. I was trying to keep the cost down because this is up temporarily only for about 3 weeks. Couple of Dollar Tree trees with some burlap skirts to give it some 3D effect. This was such a fun project. Nothing like a little friendly competition with your coworkers to spur you on a project like this. Really hope you enjoyed it, you guys. Really hope it gave you some inspiration for some of your holiday decorating, and we hope we'll see you back here at Lisa & Company. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers. See you next time.